What's good, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to Ride This Eastgate. Today, I'm going to talk about the Atlas Pro and its supercharger. Now, many of you have been asking me in my previous channel, how come when I plug the supercharger in, it makes a popping sound the moment I plug it into the board? And quite frankly, to be honest with you, I have no idea because I actually don't work for X-Way. But I can tell you how I can fix that problem without having that popping sound that's going to freak you out, especially if you're like me and have like an OCD and thinking that something's going to go wrong. So this 1000 watt supercharger, it's module. So you got these little parts here that you can plug in. So let's plug that in first. And now how I would recommend plugging in the supercharger is first plugging in the little module right here and then plugging it into your skateboard without it being plugged in. So you plug it into your skateboard. See if we can find it. Don't force it. There we go. Now it's in. So now this is in the skateboard. Then what I would do second is plug in the power plug that goes into the wall, and then plug it directly into the wall, right? And then when you plug it into the wall, you'll see that the supercharger is actually on now. A lot of people think that while it's plugged in and it's on, that it's charging. That is incorrect. What you have to do now is hold the off on button, I would say about 3 seconds. Let's go. Now you see that fan blowing in there? Now it's charging. And do yourself a favor, don't keep anything near the front of this fan because it'll suck like a piece of paper or anything right here. And then when it sucks it in there, it's going to stop it from cooling. So that's very important. And that's how you charge your X-Way Atlas Pro, or basically any board, so you won't get that popping sound. My name is Michael Hurdle from Ride This Eastgate. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.